Market daily visualization for July 20th, 2026. Start with adjusting the daily price. Shifting actual price down. The daily high is raised. The daily low is adjusted. The PSARs are adjusted. Five-day look back. 10-day look back. 10-day regression, getting worse. The 30-day SMA, getting worse. Let's try that again. Five-day low. Now, our 30 SMA. Gee whiz. There we go. You got to find the right contact points. All right. So 30 SMA, 10 period regression, 20-day regression, 30-day look back, 30-day low still in place, 10-day low, 5-day low in place. This is a market that's rolling over. 120-day look back lagged by 30. Here we are. We're going to adjust the 150-day look back. Market that is still stalling and rolling over with lower highs. Danger.